Hey friends, this is Ariel and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we are doing March's monthly budget. I actually started this video already and my video cut off, or it didn't record, or something happened. I just knew I heard a notification. I was like, wait a second, I shouldn't hear notifications while I'm recording. Anyways, I filled in my income, so $17.50 per paycheck. I'm a salary worker, so it comes out to $3,550 per month. So over here, we've got our bills. So the first one is my subscription with Canva, which is $12.99. Linktree is $9. Car insurance is $65. Phone is $50.50. Google is $9.99. Pumpkin is $21. Spotify is $16.99. iPostal One is $9.99. Bank fee is $6. Adobe Lightroom is $4.99. And then we have rent, which is just $300. Storage is $87.51. Gym is $30. Crunchyroll is $9.99. And then Adobe Creative Cloud is $15.99. So in total, that is $649.94, which leaves us with $2,850.56. So now we're going to hop over here to savings. So emergency is going to get $120. Travel will be getting $60. Health, which for travel, I'm thinking about increasing because there's actually a lot of traveling this first half of the year. Second half, none. This first half though, crazy. So I might be bumping up travel a little. Health is getting $300. Wellness is getting $100. Birthdays will be getting $50. Holidays will be getting $30. Sora is getting $50. Sora's our cat. Clothing is getting $20. Hair is getting $20. Prime, I believe, is actually not getting $20. So Prime this month will actually just be getting $16 because the second half of the month I should actually have Prime paid for the following year. So that's awesome. And then it'll start being that like Xbox is only getting $6. Prime will actually be getting the same amount. So it'll be nice to kind of get that couple dollars back. Budget will be getting $40 for the month. And then Japan, oh my gosh, I love seeing that on here now. That's crazy. It's getting $100. And then Buffer will be getting $60, not $30. So the total of all of that is $972. And then subtracting the $972 from the $2,800, we are left with $18.78.56. So we're gonna hop over here to everyday expenses. Groceries will be getting $300 for the month. Gas $120. Eating out will be getting $80. Miscellaneous will get $20. Fun will get $20. Drinks will get $20. And then date night will get $60. $620. And then $620 subtracted from this $18.78 has a leftover of $1,258.56. Now to the exciting part over here, which is my debt. So Citi, the last 2 months for February and January, we paid off $330 from it. because I had decided I just want to get rid of this card. I don't want to pay on it anymore because I had been focusing on Discover. So what's really exciting is that it's only going to get 320 because that's it. That pays that card off. We will not be seeing Citi anymore. So that's super exciting just to have that done and out of the way. And so I'm so happy because I actually made that I did that the other day where I went ahead and transferred over that money. And now it says balance is 0, and that's magical. So don't have to worry about that anymore. Nelnet is getting 50, and then Discover will be getting the remainder amount, which is $888.56. That means the total over here is $1,258.56. Which means that this is a zero-based budget because there's nothing remaining. So really exciting things coming for the month of March, and I am so excited. I'm here for it. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, my numbers have pretty much stayed the same. Again, that annual budget explains it all, and so I am just kind of trying to keep on trend with that to the best of my ability. There's already been some things that have kind of wavered it, but that's okay. That is life. I wasn't thinking that with that annual budget, it'll be set in stone anyways. So I was pretty flexible with the idea that it would change. So, and it has. But still pretty much on point as we are only in the 3rd month of the entire year. So super excited about this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.